Namaste everyone. Welcome to SS Craft Mantra. Today we are going to make a camera card. So let's get started with the tutorial. Take 2 strips of colorful paper of the same measurement. Make lines and bend them as shown. Then cut the edges. Take one strip and stick it exactly at the middle of the another strip. Be careful that you don't stick the entire portion, just the edges. It should look something like this. Now glue the other 2 sides as shown. Your cube is ready. Now press it from above. It will appear like a plus sign. Decorate it with colorful papers. You need to make 6 cubes like this. Now glue the center part and stick it on one another. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. For making a camera box, you will need 2 sheets as per the measurements given. We need to make a cut on opposite sides, bend the edges and stick it as shown. For getting latest updates about our crafts, then follow us on Instagram. My Instagram ID is SS Craft Mantra. Repeat this process for making the cover of the box. Decorate the box by using a silver paper. Now stick the cubes in the middle of the camera box. This is how it will look like. Now to make the lens of the camera, take the measurements as given. For making lens, bend the strips and make cuts as shown. Stick the strips to the circle. Your lens is ready. Repeat the process for making another part of the lens. Stick the lens to the camera box. Your camera card is ready. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon to get notifications.